Here, we are creating a full natural twist style using the knotless method with darling natural twist hair. We started with clean, moisturized and stretched hair, then section it into neat box parts. Clean parting is a key for polished final look, so take your time here. For the installation, we use the knotless method. This means we gradually feed in the darling natural twist hair without creating a knot at the base. This is great because it reduces tension and gives more natural finish. We braid a few inches down to secure the roots, then transition into twisting the hair all the way down. One thing I love about darling natural twist is that it holds the twist beautifully. You don't need hot water to seal the ends, which makes the process quicker and safer. Once everything was done, we applied mousse to smooth the twist and reduce frizz, and finished off by oiling the scalp. This style is lightweight, long-lasting, and perfect for clients who want a clean, soft, and natural protective style.